Okay, now let's try to fold different types of paper and see how many folds we get. So I have 5 different types of paper. This one is the thickest, and the thickness gradually decreases as we go down. So I have 5 different type of paper, and the last one is newspaper, which is the thinnest paper out of all these. Okay, so now let's start. Start with this paper. This is the, I guess, thickest paper out of all these. Okay, now let's try to fold this paper. Okay. So we have got 5 folds, and let's try to fold it for the 6th time, I think, which is not possible. I think it's very stiff and we can't fold it for more. So we got 5 fold for this paper, which is the thickest paper out of all these. Now let's try to fold this paper and see how many folds we get. This is a regular chart paper, I will say, a A4 size chart paper. This one was a photo paper. Okay, so let's move on. 1, 2, 3. Pretty easy so far. 4. So now it's 5. That's 6. So we got 6 fold for this paper. I think we can't fold it furthermore. That's it. So we got 6 fold for this paper. Okay. Now let's try to fold this paper. It is also A4 printing paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that thing is there's a trouble. And the 6. There's 6. We have got approximately 6. So 6 fold for this paper. This one is AA 80 gram paper. That's all. 6 folds. Okay, now let's try to fold this paper. This paper is thinnest out of all this. It is approximately equal to A4 size paper. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think we have got 7 fold for this paper. We can't get furthermore. That's it. So to check out whether the size of the paper matters or not, so we have this a newspaper which is bigger than A3 size paper. So let's try to fold this paper and see how many folds we get. So that's the first fold. We have already got first fold, and now let's try it. That's the second. That's the third. That's the fourth. That's the 5th. That's 6, and that's the 7. So we can't get more than 7 fold on this paper. Also, this paper was much bigger as compared to this paper. It was approximately equal to A4 size, and this paper was much bigger than A4 size paper. So now this is a tissue paper. We have a tissue paper. It is smaller than A4 size paper, and let's try to fold this paper and see how many folds we can get. First fold is not quite perfect. Second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7. So we are not getting more folds than 7, so that's the maximum we have. So it means okay, not sure. I think we can get it I think we got it approximately for 4. We got 8 fold for this tissue paper, see. So the conclusion of this video is that the thinner the paper is, the more folds we can get. Like in this case we got 8 folds, and as you can see, this was the thickest paper we got. For 5 folds for this, 6 fold for these papers, and 7 fold for this newspaper, and 8 fold for tissue paper. So that's it for the video. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned.